10 small and slow-growing houseplants. Hello, dear friends. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to 10 small and slow-growing houseplants that are perfect for indoor spaces. Not only do these plants add a unique beauty and freshness to your home, but they also require minimal care, making them ideal for busy people. Small, slow-growing plants are ideal for compact apartment spaces because they don't take up much room. In this article, we will introduce 10 small and slow-growing houseplants. Adding houseplants to your home is a great way to bring vibrancy and nature indoors. However, large plants may not be the best choice for small apartments. Fortunately, there are many small plant options that are perfect for homes with limited space. In this article, we will provide a comprehensive guide to 10 small and slow-growing houseplants. Small plants, such as cacti and air plants, are ideal for adding greenery to small homes. The best part about small plants is that they can be placed almost anywhere in your home. You can even get creative by adding some beautiful plants in unexpected places, like near your bathroom window or other unique spots, bringing beauty to your surroundings. If you'd like to have these lovely plants in your home, stay with us until the end of this article. Aloe Vera. Did you know that aloe vera plants are part of the succulent family? Like their relatives, they enjoy sunlight and prefer their soil to be completely dry between waterings. Aloe vera is easy to care for and grows very slowly, so it generally doesn't need much space. Jade Plant. Jade plants are known for their thick, oval-shaped leaves and can live for years if well cared for. To keep the beauty and shine of your jade plant's leaves, clean them occasionally. This plant symbolizes success and grows slowly. To care for jade plants, ensure that the soil never dries out completely. A spot by the window is ideal for this plant. Pothos Plant. Pothos is an excellent choice for those who are new to plant care. It's easy to maintain and grows slowly. They thrive in various conditions, including low-light environments. All you need to do is provide appropriate watering for the plant. Snake Plant. The snake plant is another small, slow-growing houseplant that is easy to care for and useful for air purification. These plants grow vertically, making them ideal for tight corners. Snake plants can grow in various light conditions, but they do best in indirect sunlight. As they are native to arid regions, they can tolerate long periods without water. Chinese Evergreen. Chinese evergreens make even novice gardeners look like experts. They are incredibly easy to care for, tolerate a wide range of conditions, and their slow growth makes them easy to maintain. Just allow the soil to dry out a bit before watering and keep the plant in moderate to low light, as direct sunlight can scorch the leaves. Pink Polka Dot Plant. If you're looking for a plant with real charm, the pink polka dot plant is for you. Available in shades of pink, green, red, and white, you can even match them with your decor. African Violet. African violets bloom year-round and are known for their numerous, colorful flowers. They should be watered from the bottom. You can allow the plant to sit in 3/4 inch of lukewarm water for 5 to 7 minutes to absorb all the necessary nutrients. These plants come in a variety of colors, including light blue, dark blue, pink, purple, red, white, blue-white, and pink-white. Kalanchoe and mini Kalanchoe. Kalanchoes are popular houseplants known for their colorful and long-lasting blooms. They tend to stay small and grow easily, making them a great choice for desks or windowsills. Additionally, they are very easy to care for and come in a wide range of colors, including yellow, pink, fuchsia, orange, and red. Air plants are fascinating because they do not require soil to survive. If you're looking for a small plant and prefer to avoid dealing with pots or soil, they are an excellent choice. If you want to keep your air plant in a terrarium, make sure it has an opening to allow for proper air circulation. Horsehoof Plant. These charming plants are also part of the succulent family. Their name comes from their small size and hoof-like appearance. Horsehoof plants are well suited for those with unique tastes due to their unusual appearance. Plants are always a great choice for bringing freshness to living spaces. However, for those living in small apartments, caring for plants can be challenging, which may lead them to avoid buying plants altogether. However, small and slow-growing plants can be a suitable choice for these individuals.